Right-click on the empty space from the context menu. Select New and select Folder. Right-click on the folder the context menu appears. From the context menu, select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Customize tab. Click on the Change Icon button in the Change Icon window and select your choice. After selecting an icon, click OK in the Change Icon window. In the Google search bar, type Convert JPG to Icon. Press Enter and go to first link. Click Choose File and select From Device. New windows appear. Select your image, change for icon. Press on the Start button. And download image. Right-click on the folder you want to change the icon. From the context menu, select Properties. Select Customize tab and go to Change Icon button. In the Change Icon window, click the Browse button. Navigate to the location where you have the custom icon file saved. Select it and click Open.